Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. As you know, we completed our syllabus, so we started our revision from chapter 1 to chapter 11. We completed chapter 1 grammar and writing. Today I am going to do chapter number 2, a lost button, and grammar topic is a countable and uncountable noun. Page number 13 in your English textbook. Okay. Now, before doing that, we are going to know about what are countable and uncountable noun. Most noun is in English are countable. We can put a number before them. Tables, fridge, chairs. Okay. 2 tables, 1 fridge and 4 chairs. Now, most nouns in English are countable. We can put up before them. They have a singular and plural forms. They are in both forms, singular form and plural forms. Countable, singular form table and plural 4 tables. Some nouns are, these all are countable, means which things we are able to count, that is called a countable noun. Now, some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have a no plural form. See here, in countable noun we have a singular and plural form, but in uncountable noun we have only singular form. We cannot put up before number that like 4 chairs, because 1 chair is a singular and 4 chair is a plural. In countable noun we have a singular form and plural form, but in uncountable noun we do not have a plural form, so we cannot put a number before that thing. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They are a no plural form. See here. 3 luggages, no. We cannot put like this, and 3 papers we cannot put like this also. Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them. They have a no plural form. Water. Water you say as a waters? No. So water is an uncountable noun. Sometimes we use a little water and some water. In next I am going to explain that one. Some are uncountable noun. We cannot put a before them. They have a no plural form. Water, some water, a little water, much water. No numbers are there. Just we are putting here quantity or a quantifiers. Okay. There are ways to quantify an uncountable noun. We use major words or counters to count the uncountable noun. You saw in that picture, na? We put here quantifier. Water, some water. Okay, a little water, much water. So we are not putting here a number. We are using here quantities. Okay, now major words, some, little, that one. Okay, here countable nouns, the words pieces, glasses, box, bar are countable nouns. The words pieces, glass, box, bar are countable noun. We use such a words to measure or count the quantity of a uncountable noun. Countable nouns, okay, such words are counters. Now come to our chapter, page number 13. Here, button is a countable noun. We can say 1 button, 2 buttons, 3 buttons, so on. Nouns like a button, town, owl, tailor have a plural. Buttons, these nouns have a plural form, so we can use or and before them. a or and before them. Always we will use a or and before them. Now read these sentences. You don't have to give me any money. Money is an uncountable noun. We cannot say monies. We use here quantifiers and numbers. Quantifier there. Uncountable nouns do not have a plurals. We cannot use a or a before them. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के पहले हम ए और एन आर्टिकल हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. ओके. नाउ you know it na, nouns like a button, we can use a or an before them. A we are using for a consonant sound and an we are using for a vowel sound. In last lecture I explained you, but we can use before only countable nouns. We cannot say monies. Countable nouns do not have a plurals. We cannot use a or an before them. Okay. Now here some exercises are there. Mark the words in color as a countable, C or a uncountable as a UC. Milk is hot. Milk you can count? No, it is not a countable noun, so it is a uncountable noun. The hands. Hand is a countable, so we use here plural form. So they use here the hands are in the kitchen. C countable. My book is in the bag. Book is countable noun, so you tick as a C. That Jim's food. Food is a uncountable noun. I don't like apples. Apple is a countable noun. See here, we are not using, here we are using vowel sound, then also we are not using a or an here. Sometime if it is a singular form, we are using here we are using here and, because a is a vowel, so we are using, before this we are using that a and, but here we are not using this one. Okay. Now tick the correct sentences and cross for incorrect ones. She wants a cup of tea. It's correct. She wants a time to think. Okay, it's a wrong. Our village did not get rain last year. A rain is a time, wrong. Madhu has asked me to wait for an hour. H is a H is a consonant. Then also we are using here and, because it sound as a, we pronounce as a O sound. O is a vowel, so we are using here and. I have a news to tell you. Wrong. Okay. A news. It's a wrong. So it is our so this one we are using here as a, so we are using countable and uncountable noun. I am going to explain you what are countable and what are uncountable nouns in a brief for you all. So some words are like that. Wait, my children. A noun is a countable if it can be counted, such as in one bird and three birds. Which noun is countable? That is called as a countable noun. We can count that nouns. Can be both. These are in a singular form or a plural form. A noun is uncountable if it cannot be counted. काउंटेड मीन्स हम गिन नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल शुगर, राइस. काउंटेबल नाउन्स डू नॉट हैव एन अ प्लूरल फॉर्म. उनमें कोई भी सिंगुलर या प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं होता है. हियर चिल्ड्रन, there are 4 candles on the cake. Here we can count candles. Here we have a countable noun and we have a plural form here. And the children are playing with the sand. Sand is a uncountable noun. We do not have a plural form in that. Okay. Now here some words are fill in the blanks using the correct word from the brackets. I want some on my toast. Butter or a butters, we cannot count a butter, so we are not using plural form here, so we are using butter only. The bucket full of dash water. There are no pencils in the holder. We can count the pencils, so we are using here plural form. The dash in the city is polluted. Air polluted. Air is a uncountable noun, so we are not using here countable. We are not using here uncountable noun and plural form. Dash wear skirts to school in the summer. Girls. Girl is a countable, so we are using plural form. 3 cups of flour. You know na, uncountable noun always in a singular form. It's not have any plural form, so we are using here flour. Flour means atta. Would you like some dash or a milk? Milk is a uncountable noun, so we are not using here milks, so we have to tick on a milk. Everyone had some rice. Not rice is food form, rice is nahi hoga. Some trees shed their leaf or leaves in winter. Leaves in winter. My dash brown in color. Hair. Hair in color. Uncountable noun. Hair is an uncountable noun, so we are using here hair only. Okay, so you have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook. I am going to send that picture of this exercise. You have to complete that work in your fair notebook revision part. Okay, and some words are there: water, girl, ant, cheese, sand, ice, spider, clock, honey, flower. Water is an uncountable noun. Girl is countable, ant is countable, cheese is uncountable, sand is uncountable, ice is uncountable, and honey is uncountable. Remainings are countable nouns. Just you have to remember, while we are, if you want to count the uncountable noun, that time we are using quantifiers, and we are telling that a measure or a to word count. We use such a words to measure or count the quantity of an uncountable noun. uncountable noun को हम काउंट करना चाहते हैं तो हम मेजर करके बोलते हैं. 1 लीटर मिल्क, 1 लीटर ऑयल, piece of cheese. Like this we are using that piece only, not glass of milk, bar of soap. Like this we are using uncountable noun. Liter we are counting as a in uncountable nouns. When we are counting it with the quantifiers and major words. We count uncountable noun. To count the uncountable nouns, we use measuring words. Okay, I hope you all will learn it very carefully. I am going to send you one video with this, and you have to read all this, and you have to write this 2 exercises in your FAIR notebook. Okay. Thank you. Stay safe.